gonna stay here and make this video for 4.5 hours. And I muted that. Oh god, and now we know how Morse lives. Let's check on that egg. That is not frozen. Well, I guess I'll go make a breakfast. But anyways. Okay. So yeah. Listen to this. Sounds very weird. Right? I'm gonna leave the egg right there. But anyways, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an egg. Wabada. I need to find the pan first of all. Like the alien Mr. Burns from playing one piece, but the whole thing was incoherent and bizarre. After he descended from his blue track, he launched into the speech pool and just clean.
Yes, it is.
Okay, we're gonna be using this pan to crack this egg to make my breakfast today. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make scrambled eggs. Let's go. Bring the camera over here. So there's our egg. It's on the cutting board. And there's our pan on the oven. So today you'd want to grab your butter, which was on the kitchen counter for over a decade. Yeah, you want to grab your butter, which was on top of the kitchen counter for over a decade. And you want to grab a butter knife.
There's been a lot of smack talk on Twitter between the two of them, but it's finally decided which
And grab another fork.
This is Donald Trump versus Barack Obama.
Where's the butter knife?
Where's
the butter knives? Yeah, where's the butter knives?
So whether you're a Republican or a Democrat, I hope you enjoy.
I guess I'll just use a real knife.
We're gonna have an evening going toe to toe here. Obama
You can trust me to knife, you know.
punch on Trump here with a fist.
Okay, so I don't have any butter knives, so I'm just gonna take this. Do that. I'm just gonna bring that on. Okay, now I'm just gonna put this on top of the cutting board, because if that knife falls, it'll fall on my toe, which will cut my toe, and that would be extremely painful. So first thing you want to do is turn your oven on. How do you do this? I'm just gonna move all these.
Someone's upset because of that. Well, Barack Obama advances to the next round. But next up on the European is going toe to toe with Angela Merkel. Basically the head of Germany at this point and the European Union.
Can somebody? I don't know. I'm trying my best to turn on the. I'm weak. I can't turn on the oven.
The oven. It's taking its time just charging
No,
shots. Really just trying to get some like
this thing. Yeah, the stove.
Worried about pressing the offensive on Angela.
How do you? I'm weak. Well, I'm finger weak.
What do you mean your finger? What are you trying to do?
The push down and then turn.
Oh, you have to push down.
Using this one?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
A battle for what remains of the United Kingdom.
I'm just gonna turn that off.
has his way.
So we're gonna be. It's gonna. I'm just gonna move everything aside, cause yeah. So it's gonna be this over here. We're just gonna. Oh wait, all the small ones.
I don't know what's really going on, but the queen is in a lot of distress right now. She's got the back shield, but it's not enough.
So you don't want to put it to a 6. You don't want to. You would want to put it to 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Now you'd want to grab the.
Alive in politics. You all know who he is. You all love him. But can he defeat Jesus Christ himself?
Okay.
Ladies and
So
gentlemen, Bernie Sanders.
as that's heating up, we'll grab some
going to win
butter. Some butter.
He looks a bit like Keanu Reeves as well. It's just the way Jesus is going. A battle for the ages here. Two champions of their time fighting for what they believe in here on the Mario Kart 8.
You just want
Mario Super Circuit
to rub the butter
in a little bit of trouble here.
with your butter knife, and I don't have a butter knife.
Jesus got pulled into hell. I don't know what happened. Jesus Christ is just two major political activists in their time. Standing up for what they believe in by means.
Okay guys, you might not see a thing, but all you have to do is just keep on rubbing the pan with butter
Well, here tonight, they're going to set their ideals aside
until all of the butter melts.
versus Nelson Mandela. Oh, and they're not holding back. They're going right into it. Danny, you launched the first blow to Nelson Mandela. They're getting him in a stranglehold here. Danny, be careful to make the shit here and not miss the blow. Nelson Mandela maybe on his own here. Danny does not stand up. They're going toe-to-toe here. They both got
And this is what I'm doing. To spread around all of the butter, which is all devoured. That's not.
Get back on the ship soon, or he's going to be in trouble here. Ganny's got 2 pieces of the ultimate weapon lined up now. Nelson Mandela is not careful there. Ganny's going to finish.
That's not hot, but okay.
He's got to be careful. The last piece is now on the ship. Ganny just has to pick it up. Nelson Mandela's going to cheekily drop
Now
it.
you would want to.
One of the pieces has been dropped by Ganny. All play for here. Either of them could still take this. Oh, but Nelson Mandela with the sudden turnaround here. Right at the end.
That instantly came out.
I'm actually quite surprised. Ganny was only
I think it instantly came out because I put it in the freezer.
He was tired of taking Ganny's shit before Bernanke the camp from Sesame Street
Okay.
versus Steve Harvey. Camp's going to be trying to count him out like trying to put Steve in a body bag, I think.
Well, if you really want to, I'm just going to spread.
For a bit of a feud here. Go.
Now you'd want to grab, I need to find it, hold on. You want to grab this. And then if you want to make scrambled eggs, you just have to ruin the whole egg basically. But if you want a regular egg, you just leave it like that. But you have to add salt and pepper. So that's what we're going to be doing.
Of last year's WWE, we have Mr. B. He's back. And we have a new contender on the block. Everyone's heard of him in pretty much gift format. I haven't even seen the Mandalorian myself at this point, but you all know who it is. Church. Baby Yoda for some reason. He's still a baby.
Some salt free.
Versus the new kid on the block. I don't know why his hair is
That was for steak.
red. He's not even a baby.
I already messed up my egg by putting
No, that's
steak
just regular.
seasoning.
That's not regular Yoda either.
Um,
Talk there too. Ah. Why are they talking? Something's wrong with Mr. Reed.
I'm just gonna turn on the.
Rowan Atkinson is not supposed to speak. Doesn't have any vocal cords. I don't know what's going on.
Black pepper.
Mr. Reed acting a lot
to my egg. Get a wood spatula. I'm scrambling my eggs. Yeah, that's how you do, but you also need another hand to hold this part and then scramble. And if you want to, you can also put down your wooden spatula for a second. If you want to have a bit more flavor, get some cheese. I know some of you might be lactose intolerant, but I'm not. Just grab a little chunks of cheese up then in random spots, and then you just get the cheese to melt. Put some cheese everywhere. And then you want to put the cheese back when you think you've added in enough. But I added a lot of cheese because of the steak seasoning. So yeah. Now you don't want to. Ooh, very nice. It looks very nice. I'm dumping. Yep. And you'll just keep. This smells very good. I wish you guys could smell through screen. But that'll just make you even more hungry. Let's see how a frozen egg plus a frozen egg plus some steak seasoning with some cheese and some black pepper taste. It either tastes very bad or tastes very good. I don't know, but it looks finished to me. I'm still scrambling, and it looks done. I'm gonna make it crispy. Not really, I'm just gonna get it out when I can. So yeah, now you wanna grab a plate. This is what I made. I'm just gonna go put this down. And all those eggs is combined into one thing. Now you wanna grab a plate, which is up here. Ah! So you want to grab your spoon. I don't know how long the spoon was there for. I'm just going to put that. You want to grab a spoon and put that. The pan might make a very weird sound. The only thing that matters is your breakfast. Now we shall go to our table. And look what we have. Some perfect, well-conditioned eggs. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, did leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to what you do in your life, bye-bye.